Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. To upload our YouTube videos, we either use a laptop or a computer, or we use our phone. So in my case, I use my cell phone to create videos, edit videos, and upload videos on YouTube. When it comes to uploading videos on YouTube, on a laptop or a computer, it's slightly different because on a laptop or a computer, it's usually one step. You just upload the video and edit and put in everything, title, tag, descriptions, and you upload. But on a phone, it's slightly different. There are 2 to 3 steps, and we're going to use 2 different applications in order to upload your videos properly so that you have everything covered and your video is going to rank higher and you're going to get more views and subscribers. We're going to learn how I upload my videos. I'm going to teach you exactly how I do that, and this has actually helped me grow my YouTube channel, where I was getting 50 to 70 views a day. Now I'm getting more than 300 views per day. And this has actually helped me a lot. My videos are ranking higher and higher day by day. If you want to learn how I did that, how I managed to do that, watch this video till the very end because every step is important. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do consider subscribing, leave a like, leave a comment. It helps a lot. And with that, let's go to my phone screen and learn how to upload YouTube videos using your phone. To upload videos to YouTube using your smartphone, you're going to need 2 different applications. The first application is the YouTube app itself, and the second application that you're going to need is called YT Studio. This is YouTube's application, official application, and you can find it on Google Play Store and App Store easily. Once you have downloaded and installed both of these applications, first of all, you need to open up the YouTube app. And this is the home page of the YouTube app. And in order to upload the video, you're going to see this plus button on the bottom of the screen. And sometimes it is located on the right side of your screen, top right corner. You might see a camera icon sort of like that. But in most cases, it is going to be the plus button. And you need to tap on the plus button and tap upload a video because we want to upload a video. We get multiple options: creating a short, uploading a video, go live, create a post. Tap upload a video and select the video that you want to upload. In my case, let's say if I want to upload this particular video, I'll select this video. Welcome back to my YouTube. And hit next. And after you hit next, you're going to get an option to add title and description. So you can add a title. So let's say if my video's title is how to use vidIQ, and description, I have already copied a description that I had written previously, so you can just add that description here. Visibility, you can keep it at private for now because we want to make some changes to this video before we make it go live. And audience, you don't need to touch that. Usually it is no, it's not made for kids. If your content's not made for kids, just select that and then add to playlist. If you have playlists created, you can just add it to a playlist. In my case, I'm going to add it to technology related videos. That's one of the playlists that I have. And then once you're done, you need to hit upload from here. And then you need to wait till the video is uploaded. After that, you need to open up the second application, YT Studio. And then I'll just go ahead and refresh quickly. After you refresh, you're going to see the video that you've just uploaded. So now this video is actually showing up here on the top of my screen, how to use vidIQ. This is the video that we just uploaded and it starts to show here. Now you need to tap on the 3 dots that you see next to this video and then click edit video. After you tap edit video, you're going to get similar options that you got previously, but here you have an option to change the thumbnail as well. So you can choose the thumbnail of this video. So let's say if you want to change the thumbnail, I want to, let's say, pick this thumbnail. So I'll go ahead and do that. And you can change the title and description from here as well. Visibility, we're going to keep as private for now because we want to make more changes to this. Monetization, you can turn it on if you want to turn the monetization on. So from here, you can just select turn on. And then it's going to ask you what type of ads do you want to run on your video. So you can select the type of ads that you want to run on your video and then hit back. And then you can add the video to a playlist. If you have a existing playlist that you use, you can add it. In my case, it's technology related videos. So I'm going to add it to that playlist. And then under more options, you need to tap more options. You can add categories, you can add tags. Now, in order to add tags, I've created a separate video where I've actually showed how to find relevant tags and good tags for your video. So I'll try and paste that link in the description so you can watch that video later on. And under category, in my case, it is science and technology, but in your case, if it is different, select the appropriate category for your video and then choose the comment section. So you have a couple of options here. You can allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, increase strictness, hold all comments for review, or disable comments. You have these options. Select the one that applies that you want to choose. And once done, you can go back, and that's pretty much all there is to it. So generally, these are the 2 things that you do to upload your videos on YouTube. But there's one more thing that I do, and I'm going to share that with you. And there's a reason why I do that. So open up any browser on your phone and open youtube.com and then log in with your YouTube account. And once you have logged in with your YouTube account on the browser, you need to tap on the bottom right corner where you see these double A, and there's an option for request desktop website. Now on an Android device, it's going to be slightly different. If you're using a Google Chrome, you're going to see an option on the bottom right corner, three dots. You need to click on those three dots, and then you're going to get the same option, request desktop website. Once you've done that, now this is the view that you get on your computer, laptop. You're going to get the same view on your mobile. On the top right corner, you're going to see your profile picture. Tap on your profile picture, and from there tap YouTube Studio, and it's going to open up YouTube Studio on your phone. Now here you're going to get into videos, and under videos you're going to see this video that you've just uploaded. Now I will tell you why do I need to do this step and why is this step important. So I've done everything. I've added the title tag, description, everything is there. It's just that one more thing that I need to do. I need to double check. So you're gonna see this last option, show more. You need to tap on this and scroll down, so you can see the tags that I've added. Those are reflecting there. Video language, English, United States, it automatically detected, but sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes I would make videos in English and it would detect as Urdu or maybe Hindi. I don't know why, but that is not good, because YouTube's algorithm would start thinking that this video is meant to be for audience that speaks Urdu or Hindi, whereas I want this video to reach the broader audience. So I would want to change this or make sure that there is set right at English, United States, and the title and description language is English as well. There's caption certification. I always check this, as this content has never aired on television in the United States. And after that, just make sure, just scroll up and down, just make sure that everything is all set. Your title, tag, description, thumbnail, everything is checking out. And then once you're done, once you're sure, just hit save on the top right corner. After you hit save, that's pretty much it. You need to now go back on your YouTube Studio, and the changes that you made there are going to start reflecting here. Now, I'm just going to go to my studio real quick. In fact, my videos real quick. I'm going to show you that, yeah, the changes are reflecting here. Now, that's pretty much it when it comes to uploading your videos properly. These little things, they make a huge difference when it comes to your YouTube videos growth later on. If you have any questions related to this, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer all the questions. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.